This video is going to teach you how to propagate or clone a ginger roots and produce more ginger plants. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Marcelina at cashewgreens.com. In today's video, we're going to be learning on how to clone or propagate ginger roots so we can have more ginger plants. And if you guys watched my recent video on how to build your own cloning box, then you are one step ahead. So today we're going to use this box to grow ginger. This box is made of cedar wood treated with copper sulfate. As you can see here, the color is green. This is the result of oxidization. In the bottom of this tray is the screen. This is the wire screen to hold our soilless media. It also gave us good drainage. Now, I would recommend you guys to use cedar wood because it is lighter and it is also protect against wood rot. Since it is treated, it will give us another extra protection. So we're going to prepare our soilless and I'm going to show you guys. But before we continue this video, keep watching and see you on the other side. Prepare your media by using 50% cocoa fiber and 50% perlite. Then mix them together. Once your perlites and cocoa fiber mixed together, and put it in the box, create an imaginary lines. Now that we prepared our soilless media, which is 50% perlites, 50% cocoa fiber, it's time for propagation. I separated this ginger to save time. Now keep in mind, once you separate them, you're creating new one. You don't want them to plant right away in the box. You need to wait 3 to 4 days until this one is going to heal. But this video, we're going to plant them right away because I'm just going to show you guys on how to grow or propagate ginger in the box.
Hey guys, want to see more videos and learn how to grow, earn, and create? Subscribe, like, and share. It's totally free. So what are you waiting for? Do it now!
To grow the ginger in the box, you just line it like that. And make sure it is not too deep and it's not too shallow. Because if it is shallow, then it dries out. Keep a 4-inch distance. Okay, now that they are there inside, you cover them and add more soil. Pat them down. And now we're going to water this ginger. After you planted the ginger, water them properly. I use this knit cup because my hose is not working and I don't want to go inside the house to turn the water, so I just use this one to break the water. Okay, so now that we watered the ginger, so we will wait for a few months until they start growing. Ginger thrive in warm temperature and they don't like waterlogged. So keep your ginger dry, don't overwater them. So in the winter, if you live in areas that you have winter season, if you want to grow more ginger, you can start propagating ginger inside your home or inside the greenhouse if you have a greenhouse. And then in the summer, they are full grown and they're ready to plant in the garden. Like what you see here in this video, I grow this ginger in the greenhouse during the winter. So in this summer comes, this is ready to be planted in the garden. Alright guys, this is the end of our video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with all your friends, and stay tuned. See you next time.